Greetings. I am Madhavan B. from Madurai, India. My CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python final project title is Dijikstra's algorithm-based single-source shortest path visualizer. In this project, I have implemented Dijikstra's algorithm in a user-friendly manner with the help of list, tuples, dictionary-like data structures, modular approach with the help of user-defined functions, and its return value handling, usage of external modules and handling classes and objects of the external modules. And this is the input graph, which is non-directional and weighted, that I'm going to use to test this application. Let me execute this program and explain each and every components involved in this execution. This is the main application window upon execution of my project.py file, which opens up basically the tkinter module based application window. So as per the Dijikstra's algorithm, it initially asks for the maximum number of nodes that are present in the input graph. So all the entry widgets present in this application window is programmed via its callback functions in a way that if any fields are left empty or invalid values are provided in the widget, it throws up an error window stating the same and prompts the user to enter the valid value to proceed further. So based on the input graph I have shown as an example, I am entering 4 maximum nodes. Upon clicking set nodes, it shows a setup complete success window where nodes are set from A to D, as there are 4 number of nodes I've set. And next section in this main application window is the edges, where we have to define each and every edge present in the input graph one by one in terms of its from node, to node, and cost associated with each and every node. So let me start entering the first edge present in the graph, which is between the nodes A and B with cost 5. I have to click on add button so that the recent edge I have entered is getting inside the list, which I've implemented in the program to store each and every edges via GUI. On clicking delete, it is capable of deleting a recent edge as well, based on the reference table which is shown at the bottom of this application window for visual clarity. Now I'll undo the changes, and with this similar procedure, let me enter all the edges available in my input graph. As it can be seen here that all the 4 edges present in the sample input graph got entered, and all that changes also got reflected in this table for visual clarity. The next section in the GUI is the mode selection. This is the output visualization mode. I have implemented 2 possible modes in this program. Upon selecting mode 1, it mandatorily expects both source and destination node to be provided, and if I click on start with this mode selected, it focuses on only those 2 nodes provided, and it traces the optimum path between these 2 nodes with the optimum minimum cost, and it presents in the form of a string in the new output window. However, if mode 2 is selected, only source given, as the name suggests, only source is mandatorily expected and destination node can be left empty. If I click on start with this mode selected, it opens up a new window with a table ASCII art based tablet module table it presents, where it showcases all the possible combinations with a destination node with a given source node in prior, and traces all the possible optimum paths for the current destination node with minimum cost as said. Now let me demonstrate the first mode with both source and destination node to be selected. Here I am selecting A and D for an example, and if I click on start, it produces a new results window from in the left side source and in the right extreme the destination via the intermediate nodes. With the help of this arrow mark, it tries to represent this combination with a total minimum cost expected to be 7 in this case. If I click on close, the entire process will be terminated. I have executed the program once again in order to demonstrate mode number 2, which is only source given mode. Here I am selecting the source to be A, and I am leaving the destination field empty as said earlier, and I am clicking on start. This presents a new window where a table is presented here with the help of tabulate module, where as said the source is A as I given, and for each row it chooses all the possible destinations per row and try to trace the optimum path for each combination A to B, A to C, A to D, A to A as said, and for each combination the total cost associated with that particular path getting traversed as well. So these are the 2 particular modes, and thanks for watching.